Okay, so on sale from Amazon, whole $55. I didn't realize there's a lot of these things, cheap little chainsaws, made with presumably different companies in China. And so for $55, let's see, besides the chainsaw, you get a little pair of gloves. Ain't that cute? 2 batteries, and those are lithium-ion batteries. An extra chain and a tool, your charger, a pair of glasses, and this beauty right there. Well, a 6-inch bar, a baby motor. Seems kind of strong right now, but let's go give it a try. So when you buy these cheap things, one of the things that you have to do is you have to oil the bar yourself. Keep that oiled. And I already have a bottle with some bar oil in it. And it comes with a little baby bottle, but I've got a bigger bottle there. And I suppose if you buy one of the brand name expensive ones that are over $200 without the batteries, even then, you probably will get a self-oiler in it. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is what needs to be done. We got some over there, we got some over there, and these guys are not going to help me out, I guess. So these need to be cut up because we have to put them in a gray, into a garbage bin. And if we don't do it, then the problem is that you can't get very much in there. So they have to be cut up in little pieces. We'll see how this goes. If this can get through all that, I'll be very impressed. Stuff here we'll start off with. I don't know how much you put on and how much or how long it'll last. I suppose we'll find out. And this is with how the batteries came. I haven't charged them at all. Okay. So good. Well, what you want to do, and this is just like any other chainsaw, is you want to use this area here to stabilize it. So you want to get this like right up against there and start cutting from there. If you go out here, you're going to get a lot of bounce. Like I'll see if I can kind of replicate this here. If I start in the middle, you can see how that's going to go up. If I go right up against there and cut it like that, much better. So, safety first, y'all. All right, you're looking at about 45 minutes of work. Probably could have done it in 30, but 45 is not too bad for that. Would have taken a lot longer without the little chainsaw.